myself all, and I had to start all over. Every time I start all over, I pick myself up and dust myself off.